What's up guys, Trey here with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out these Red Rock HD side step bars for the 1987 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler YJs and TJs. These step bars are perfect for Wrangler owners who want reliable side protection and an easier way to access their cab, especially useful for lifted Jeeps or off-road enthusiasts. These side step bars are going to be perfect for Wrangler owners looking for reliable side protection and an easier way to access their cab, especially useful for those lifted Jeeps or off-road enthusiasts. These side step bars offer a blend of functionality and rugged style. These steps feature an extended drop-down design, providing a secure and convenient stepping surface for easier entry and exit. With the durable, textured black finish, they enhance your Jeep's aggressive look while providing additional side protection against rocks and trail debris. This super wide stepping platform includes a non-slip surface, ensuring confident footing in all conditions. These side steps are an excellent option for off-roaders and daily drivers alike. Built for durability, these side step bars are crafted from heavy-duty mandrel bent steel tubing, ensuring resistance to damage during tough off-road use or stepping up on them daily as your daily driver. The texture black powder coat finish not only complements your Jeep's aesthetic, but also protects against rust and corrosion. With a robust mounting design, they also double as side armor to shield your vehicle's lower panels from potential impacts when you're out there on the trail. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this set, they're coming in right around $300 for both of them. So they come in at a decent price point for the convenience and the protection they add to the side of your vehicle. Now, when it comes to the install, all the necessary mounting hardware is going to be included in the kit. So on our difficulty meter, this comes in at a basic 1 out of 3 wrenches and should take you about 2 hours to complete the job. Now, let's check out an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers and see how this goes on your Jeep.
The tools we're using today are pretty minimal. You need a drill and drill bits to drill through the frame for mounting the runners. We're going to need a white pencil of some sort to mark the frame. You need a 1/2 inch socket. I'm using a tape measure to make sure both sides are even. And then the provided equipment. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to hold our runners up to the frame to figure out exactly where we want it. We're going to mark our holes with our white pencil, and then we're going to drill through our frame so that we have something to mount to. We do recommend that we have 2 people for this part, so that you have one person who can hold it, one person who can mark it. It is just me today, so let's see how it goes. It's important when you're doing this to make sure that you're watching that the runners are level to the Jeep and not level to the ground. That's about where I want it. So I'm going to mark those 4 spots on the frame everywhere. Double check. That looks about right, at least for the front. I might make some adjustments to the back. But let's go ahead and drill those for now. Both sides. When you're drilling through metal like this, especially when you're just using a hand drill, it helps to start with a smaller bit. Make sure you have oil on your bit, and then you can go ahead. An important thing to pay attention to is when you're drilling through these, you don't want to be too close to the bottom or the top of the frame. And also, I forgot to mention earlier, but you want at least a 1/2 inch between your body and the runner. So let's go ahead and do this. It's kind of hard to see from that angle, but all I'm doing here is just drilling holes, starting with a smaller bit. Working my way up.
And that's it. We got our pilot holes drilled. Now we're gonna go up until we get to a 5/16, I believe, is what the bit size they say. My phone fell, so you didn't get the first two, but the holes are drilled, it's started. Now you just take the self-tappers. It helps if you get them started with a drill, which I got most of them started with the drill and a 1/2-inch nut driver. Once you get them started, just get them in there.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Red Rock HD drop side step bars in texture black for the 1987 to 2006 Wrangler YJs and TJs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.